Hi everyone, welcome to Mask English Tutorials. English is facile now. I'm Anna, an English tutor. Today's video is about similarities and differences between since and from with their usages. Since. The word since can be used as a preposition or as a conjunction or as an adverb. Preposition. Preposition denotes the place or time. As a preposition, since is used to present the starting point of an action that started in the past and continues in the present, and takes the usage of present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. Example: I haven't seen him since this morning. In this sentence, the word since denotes the morning, which is the starting point. Conjunction. Conjunction is used to connect two words or two phrases or two clauses or two sentences. Since as a conjunction. Example: let's discuss the problem now since you are here. In this sentence, let's discuss the problem now is a separate clause and you are here is a separate clause. The word since connects them as it is a conjunction. Adverb. An adverb describes a verb. Since as an adverb. Example: he was sent to prison but hasn't been released since. Here, since describes the verb release as since acts as an adverb. From. The word from is a preposition to show where someone or something starts. Example: what time does the flight from New York arrive? In this question, the word from denotes the starting place of the flight, which is New York. Number 2. The word from can also be used to show when someone or something starts. Example: the office works from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. In this example, the word from denotes the starting time of the office, which is 9 a.m. Number 3. From can be used to show someone's or something's origin. Example: the word alphabet originated from Greek letter alpha and letter beta. Here, the word from describes the origin of the word alphabet. Number 4. From can be used to show the material that something is made up of. Example: sweater is made from wool. Here, the word from refers to the material wool used for making that sweater. Number 5. From can be used to show how far apart two places are. Example: the moon is 238,855 miles away from the earth. Here, the word from shows the distance between the two places, the moon and the earth. Number 6. From can be used to show somebody's point of view. Example: from viewer's point of view, Mask English Tutorials is the best channel for learning English. Here, the word from the point of view of the viewers. Number 7. From can be used to show the range of something. The size of the t-shirt ranges from small to large is the example. Here, in this example, the word from is used to show varieties or ranges of size. Number 8. From can be used to show the reason for something. Example, she suffers from malaria. Here it is used to show the reason for the suffering. Till now we saw how to use and where to use since and from. Now we shall see the similarities. Number 1. Both since and from are prepositions. Number 2. Both since and from are followed by the words indicating the starting point of time. Now we shall see the differences. Number 1. Since refers only to the past if it is used as a preposition or adverb. Whereas from can refer to any time like past, present or future. Number 2. This is again related to the previous point. As since refers to something started in the past, it uses present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. Whereas from is common for all tenses. Additional information corner. Never confuse the words from and from. Both words have their own meanings. Misplacing a letter may cause a blunder mistake. As a noun, a form is a paper or set of papers printed with spaces in which answers to questions can be written or information can be recorded in an organized way. Example, I filled the application form. As a verb, a form means to begin to exist or to make something. Example, a big crowd formed around the accident. I hope you all understood the similarities and differences between since, from and from. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel Maths English Tutorials. Also click the bell icon for instant notifications. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook and share chats using the links given below in the description. Thank you.